Hi, I'm Andreas. I'm an SEO consultant, international, working with companies worldwide. I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm the author of this book here, Data Driven SEO. The situation was that I had a bunch of code, which what it was doing, it was taking the search results and then it was tokenizing the title data for each search result. And we needed it to be done as part of a group buy. I mean, just to give you some context, this code up to that point had the input from engineers that graduated from IIT, the Indian Institute of Technology, which is extremely prestigious worldwide, not just in India. You know, it had a lecturer from a Scottish university, a leading Scottish university. So even after all of that input, it was still quite slow. But and whilst it was great at the time in terms of the end result, bringing you on board to optimize it was a real game changer because you really kind of looked at it. You know, you weren't like a taxi driver engineer, more interested in putting miles on the clock and trying to extract the maximum amount of money. You just simply looked at it and thought, okay, I can engineer this. You used your mathematical smarts and made it far more effective and efficient. And yeah, you know, I'm really grateful to you for helping me out on that. And obviously, this is just one of the many projects we've done together. So people don't quite appreciate, certainly in the business perspective, the emotional or the moral aspects of improved code, right? So improved code, yes, absolutely. You know, it's 50 times faster. I run it a lot more often, you know, and it's also given me the confidence to take on bigger projects from mega enterprises such as Facebook when it comes to analyzing data. So, you know, that's the numbers side, the quantified benefit side of your work. The unquantified and more qualitative benefit of working with you as a result of this particular package is that I enjoy using the code more. I want to use it more often and I'm happier working. So, you know, whilst you can't put an exact number to that, obviously it's a massive benefit to my business and my company and also the colleagues that use that code. Undoubtedly, there's been benefit on both the quantified and the qualitative side. Well, I've worked with quite a few engineers now. So, and I think, you know, one thing that's common to what I would call the top 1%, top 1 percentile or the 99th percentile and above type specialists in any field, not just, you know, whether it's SEO or engineering, is I'm looking for someone who's not just good at what they do, their core skill set, i.e. engineering, but I'm looking for critical thinking. I'm looking for speed and, you know, the ability to appreciate the context and the bigger picture, the business aspects, the commercial aspects of how this engineering will be used, you know. So that is what makes the difference between good to great. The fact that you offer different options for different budget levels, that I find really helpful and pleasurable as well. You know, it's giving me information to help me make decisions quickly and find the best fit for what I need at that moment from an engineering purchasing perspective. Firm, your company clearly has, you know, offers incredible value from, you know, software engineering perspective. You know, you've got the critical thinking and everything. Yeah, I just wish I had the budget to buy your company. I would give you top marks, 100%. You know, there's a lot of what I call taxi driver consultants out there, and you're definitely not one of them. You're the rocket ship option. So yeah, look, I mean, that I would highly recommend you utterly. If anybody was considering whether to work with you or not, or deliberating, I would just say stop wasting time and hire you immediately. You're extremely good at what you do, and you deliver it in a super nice way that makes business sense.